If your side access vehicle is equipped with a manual door and power ramp, firstly open the sliding door from outside of the vehicle, making sure the door is fully open. To operate the ramp, your vehicle will be equipped with a rocker switch located on the passenger side B-pillar. Standing clear of the ramp's deployment zone, press and hold the rocker switch in the down position until ramp is fully deployed. Once ramp is fully deployed, release the switch. To stow the ramp, press and hold switch in the up position until ramp is fully stowed. You can then close the sliding door.